Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a LookFantastic unboxing for you. Are you as surprised to see that as me? Yeah, so in case you haven't seen the post on my community tab, I haven't received this until yesterday, and yesterday was the 23rd December, right? So I waited until the 13th because that's usually when I get my LookFantastic boxes. So I sent them a message and I was like, hey, where's my box? Because I haven't received a shipping confirmation. And the answer that I got was, oh, we're so sorry that it hasn't been shipped yet and that you haven't received your box. I don't remember exactly what the words were, but kind of that it's out of stock and it's made on demand, basically. I've been a subscriber to this box for, I checked, 5 years. And now you're telling me that I can't get the box because it's sold out? Like, what is going on at LookFantastic? And then they were like, would you like to wait for your box? Or is there something else we can do? And I was like, no, I do not want to wait because it was already the 13th. I would like to have my money back. Right, because I think it's between 15 and 17 euro every month. And they have clearly taken money out, goes out of my account every single month, you know, whatever. So I was like, no, I want my money back. So I got another person from the same team, I suppose, texting me, okay, you will get store credit, which I never received. Instead, I got the box. I have no idea what the hell's going on at LookFantastic. And I'm not the first person to complain. I'm definitely not the last person to complain. And I've already seen one thing in here that was the preview from last month, and I already know that I don't want to use it. Anyways, let's open it up. First thing I see is a coupon. Yeah, they still haven't changed, you know, like one piece of tissue paper. Like, I'm seriously thinking about canceling my subscription box. Like, seriously, like, it's just not okay. And if you go to LookFantastic, they always post their beauty boxes on Instagram. And if you go to that page, there are a lot of people complaining. A lot. Here is the QR code, so we're gonna scan that one right now. This is already the first thing that I will not keep. That doesn't even look cute. This is what the leaflet looks like, the pamphlet. And then we're gonna start out with, yeah, the first thing that I will not use, because it's, first off, it's not cute. Second off, I don't use these things. And if I do, I have something else I want to use. A headband, which looks already poorly made. You can see the glue there on the actual fabric. It has some weird fibers on as well. I don't know how well you can see it. It's not hair, but it's just like, I don't know, it just does not look cute at all. And if I use a headband, which I usually don't do, I have my hair up like this, I use my Oggi one. This does not feel good. Oh, guess what? The sticker is already coming off. The Brushworks limited edition cloud headband with LookFantastic. This is not even like, what? I'm just gonna keep it like this. So this is worth £10. We've teamed up with the beauty tool experts from Brushworks to bring you an exclusive new product. Made from luxurious and absorbent terry cloth, this lightweight headband is perfect for keeping your hair away from your face as you carry out your everyday skincare or makeup routine. Designed for both comfort and style, get ready to discover your new favorite beauty accessory. This is give you style. Maybe I'm too harsh on this, but this is so cheaply made. Like I said, look, this thing is coming off already. So this is going like, I probably cannot sell this. I don't know, but I will not keep it. I will put it into the public bookshelf and someone else can use it. Then we have this one here. The ritual of Ayurveda, nourishing rich body oil. You already know, me and alls. Oh, look, there's no seal on. It just closed like this. It could have easily gone over all the products, but hey, LookFantastic doesn't care. They don't care about your products. This is what that one looks like. Let me smell it. Ooh, that smells actually really good. It has Indian rose and sweet almond oil. One bad product, one good product, I guess, I hope, I assume. This is worth £7. This luxurious formula contains 3 Ayurvedic oils, which are especially well known for their intensively nourishing benefits, such as nourishing sweet almond oil, moringa oil for its anti-inflammatory properties, and hydrating coconut oil. The rich body oil offers deep and instant hydration whilst keeping the skin soft and protected, especially during the cold winter months. It actually smells really good. I'm not really a fan of oils. I have an oil cleanser, and that I wash off. I hope I don't make a mess with this. The Revolution 0.5% retinol with rosehip seed oil. Oh, I should have read the other side. Super strength formula, conditioning and fine line serum. Encourages even skin tone, helps condition skin. You know, I need to smell things. That doesn't smell good. By the way, the headband is the full size, obviously. This is the deluxe size. and then the serum here is the full size. Targeting a host of skincare concerns from uneven texture to fine lines and wrinkles, this powerhouse serum works to promote a smoother, more radiant complexion. Featuring 0.5% retinol, the formula promotes cell turnover, helping to combat dullness and texture while offering anti-aging benefits. Rosehip seed oil is rich in vitamin C, helping to brighten even the complexion. And then for best results, apply the serum after cleansing in the evening. So I will definitely try that out. I don't know if I can deal with the smell, because the smell is just absolutely not that nice. I mean, I've never had anything with rosehip seed oil. It could be like the normal smell of that, but it smells like vinegar. I don't know if I like that. And I hope it doesn't last on the skin. You know, I hope it sinks in really quickly. Then up next we have, oh, now this I can use. Oh, yes, so excited. So this is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. Bigger, better, volumizing mascara. In intense pitch black. Intense pitch black. Correct me if I'm wrong, but there is not a color darker than black. What do you mean intense pitch black? I will not open that because I currently have 3 mascaras open. This is what that one looks like. There's no picture of the brush. I don't even know if it's like a plastic bristle brush or a natural. I'm excited, this is cool. Oh, okay, so this is a either or. So either get the look size mascara or you get the full size Pixie Brow Tamer Eyebrow Gel. Well, thank God I didn't get that one because I don't do anything with my brows. And maybe I got this one. This was £9. The look size is worth £9 or the... Oh, I think the deluxe size. I'm not sure. Don't quote me on it. A voluminizing black mascara that works to deliver bigger, bolder results. The gravity-defying formula contains aero particles to create the appearance of longer and fuller lashes with a smudge-proof, water-resistant finish. A unique, slim-packed brush helps to coat and separate each individual lash for ultimate intensity and definition. I don't know when I will get to that. Probably when I'm done with another mascara, but that's nice to have. Okay, this again in either or. So you either get the Style Dry Prep and Polish Cream or you get the Color Wow 1 Minute Transformation Cream. It's a styling cream. Instantly moisturizes and eliminates frizz. Developed for color treated hair. I think I will wait with this until I dye my hair again, which will probably be in January, because the green, I dye my hair green, I will link it here, it's almost out already. So I will dye my hair again in January and then try this one out. Can I smell this at least? Ooh, yeah. Okay. Strange. Ooh, that smells actually very good. It smells very like hair salon, fancy hair care range. You know what I mean. Apply a small amount to frizz the unruly areas and brush through with a flat brush to smooth away frizz. For use on dry hair. Ooh. Okay, I'm excited. That actually sounds nice. I hope it doesn't take out the color, because the color that I use is a non-permanent hair dye, right? It washes out. I hope my color lasts. I hope this is not only for permanent hair dyes. This is worth £10. A non-greasy styling cream that works to smoothen, refine, and moisturize dry, damaged-looking hair and keep frizz at bay. Designed with avocado and omega-3 amino acids, which quickly absorb into your hair, replenishing and restoring hair's natural moisture balance. Introduce your strands to renewed suppleness, elasticity, and a tighter, smoother, glossy cuticle surface. Okay, then last but not least is again either or. They have too many products. And you're telling me that these are made to order? You either get the Rhodial Vitamin C Papaya Enzyme Scrub, or you get the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser, which is what I got here. This is for all skin types. It's pH balance and it's also a makeup remover. So that's, I can smell it though. So you know me. That also does not smell good. At first you get a whiff of cucumber, but then it just smells weird and plasticky. I don't know. I'm not a fan, but I'll try it out. Alright, so this is the deluxe size and is worth £4.50. A 3-in-1 gel formulated to remove makeup and enhance hydration and respect skin's natural pH balance. It helps to cleanse the makeup, including waterproof mascara, with the non-striping formula. Fortified with amino acid-rich soy proteins, upcycled from the food industry, the cleanser helps to support skin elasticity. Cucumber extract, and aloe vera encourage hydration and promote a cooling effect, while boar seed oil infuses skin with nourishment. I knew there was something in with cucumber. You can definitely smell it. That was everything that was in the box. It's not that bad, but it's also not wow. I'm most excited about the mascara, I think, but that's it. Like the hairband is just absolutely like, don't get me started on hairband. I know that Brushworks is loved and that a lot of people like those brands and those tools and accessories and all, but I just don't. Like I have a certain amount of brushes that I use. I have a headband already. What else do they have? What else has Brushbox? Sponges that I don't use, for example. Every other box you have a product by Brushbox in, it's just kind of obvious that they kind of work together, you know what I mean? So I'm a big fan of that. Then we have Master 90s layers. Okay, so how to master the 90s haircut, you know, with different layers, like the Rachel Green hair. Then Vitamin A Star Beauty with Revolution Skin. So that is this one here. I don't know how well you can see it. There you go. So basically, how to use it, that's timing with retinol everything, and how rosehip seed oil works. Soy in skincare, because as I read you, this is made from upcycled soy beans, from the food industry at least, so we have all of that explained. There you go. Bold brows and lush lashes, so yes, it was either the brow gel or the mascara. Is there a picture of the mascara itself? Ah, now you can see it. I'm sorry, look. She's very pretty, but look at that headband. That's just not it. It's just not. The LookFantastic Christmas Eve edit. See? There's again some brushworks in. Also, it even says, products may vary. Wow, so imagine you actually want to get this and you don't get it because they're out of stock. What's coming up in 2024? The sneak peek is the Veleda. Oh, I have that one. That's one of my favorite skin creams. The Veleda Skin Food Original Ultra Rich Cream. This we get the deluxe size. I have the full size. I have 2 of them. I like that one. I actually bought it because I heard that Hailey Bieber is using it. I don't know if that's true, but I figured if she's using it and she has nice skin, I could use it. Okay, I'm excited for that. Yeah, that's it. That was everything that was in the box and on the leaflet. Let me know what you think. Are you excited about this? The thing is, this here, I'm not only thinking about myself, right? I'm thinking about, let's just say, a large group of people that get this box. If you have 100 people that get this box, how many people have dyed hair, right? Either like non-permanent or just a henna dye or permanent hair, whatever. How many people have that? Probably not a lot. Now, I'm not saying you should only use it on dyed hair, right? If you want to use an anti-frizz product, you can use it, right? It should not matter. But if this says it's a product for colored hair, not a lot of people can use that. The soybean thing, some people might be allergic to that. It's nice to have those things, but targeted things like this might not be that nice. A mascara, look, a mascara is always nice to use, right? Of course you could argue and be very petty about it. Oh, but I'd rather have a brown mascara. The box is okay. If you don't look at the weird headband that we're getting, that's already falling apart, literally. It's okay. It's not my favorite, but I will give it another month because I really like that face cream. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Look, here are all the products. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I see you next time.